Alright guys, this is Rick with the Futures Trading Coach live trading alert call room aftermarket update for Friday, January 16th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did in the room today. The first trade we had was a long trade. Basically what happened was market came up here, okay, came down. I was talking all morning about this 91.92 level. When it got down to 88.50 right here, I said just go ahead and hit it long. I said make sure you lock in a couple points. Go to entry because this should follow through, meaning we're at the entry price because this should follow through. And if it wasn't going to follow through, it wasn't going to follow through. We also had news coming up. Okay, so we got a couple points on that. Anybody who had more than 2 lots who had a runner would have been taken out. But certainly that produced a couple points, and I fully explained that. Now here, we actually had an opportunity to get short here for a couple points. This was during the news, although the news report didn't come out until a candle later. We didn't know that, so I had people wait. I also said you could have gotten short up here. But again, we did not take this because of the news. Some people did, but I'm not going to count it, okay? Because the news was out, okay? And that would have been a nice winner there, but again, that was news. Came up here. This trade here, what we did was I wanted this trade a little bit lower, okay, around the 90-91 area, okay, down here, okay. When the market was up here, I told everybody to get in. I said I want this thing to push up right away. If it didn't go right away, which it didn't, within like 4 or 5 seconds, I wanted to start cranking up. I said just get out at break even, otherwise you're going to have to be prepared, you know, to either take a lot of heat or it's going to stop us out, and then you're still going to have to get back in down here. Okay, so most people exited, few people stayed in, especially if they were larger contract traders that went smaller. A couple people did have a stop out here. Most people did get out, and then when it got down here, re-entered and took that up. Okay, target here was 97 quarter. Okay, 97 quarter, and then 2000 quarter. Okay, 2000 quarter. Okay, and then above 2000 quarter, it was 2002 quarter, 2375. But this never really activated as a target. I just put it on there in advance because we never got above this level here. So took that up. For those who were not in, I said you can add on here. Okay, that made about a point. I didn't want anybody to take it on a new entry till the second, third candle later. I said if you want to take a shot here, take it again. That made a couple points. Okay, couple point winner. And again, I said that should have followed through up to that circle that was there. It didn't. It did not. So again, anybody would have been taken out on any runners. Not a whole lot of follow through except for this one. And then we just kind of basically went flat here. It's options expiration day today, I believe, and end of the week. So in the TF, 155.7 long, 851, and that one worked for up to 15 ticks, minus 15 ticks, to see if it can get up to 30. Second target was 30. Third target is 50. It actually went, depending on what price you got down here, it went exactly almost 50 ticks. That would have been a good trade there as well. Realistically, most people probably would have only gotten 30. And I don't know what everybody got, but 30 would, but once you get 30, if you have like a 3 lot, you get 30 ticks. We usually go to entry, and that probably would have came down here and taken people out. But it just depends on how many contracts people trade and how you manage it. But either way, it was a winner. And that's it. We're going to come back tomorrow. We're going to, or not, I'm not sorry. We're going to come back on Tuesday. Monday's a holiday. Want to wish everybody a great end of the week and have a nice weekend. And we'll see you guys back on Tuesday.